Welcome to the TQ UK Level 4 Certificate in Education and Training, a first stage teaching qualification designed for those who aspire to teach or train in their specialist area, and or for those already teaching who wish to gain a nationally recognised teaching qualification. This course is a nationally recognised qualification with Training Qualifications UK, or TQ UK, who are an Ofqual recognised awarding organisation. The Level 4 Certificate in Education and Training will enable learners to work in a teaching role and progress onto a broader teaching qualification. The course covers preparation, planning and evaluation skills and techniques. Learners will also gain teaching delivery skills and participate in teaching. This course is a distance learning course and so can be completed at your convenience in the comfort of your own home and in your chosen training school. All material for your qualification will be uploaded to an e-learning platform, and this can be accessed online at any time. As part of the course, you'll need to arrange 30 hours teaching practice in a classroom or private training facility, undertake 3 observations of practice, in person or via video link, and complete all necessary assignments to evidence the knowledge-based criteria. You will be fully guided and supported by your own personal tutor, and you have up to a year to complete the course. We've trained thousands of satisfied students to help them meet their educational and career goals. Start your future today and train with an award-winning school. Choose the TQ UK Level 4 Certificate in Education and Training.